In this video, we'll show you how to add Apple CarPlay to your vehicle.
This is Apple CarPlay. You got many applications. We actually got 4 pages of applications, or even 5. As you rotate the joystick, you go through the application pages. Just like in 2019 Acura MDX. Connect your Android phone and then rotate to enter Android. Android Auto CarPlay is highlighted. Press enter and you're entering the Android Auto world. You control everything with the joystick. So let's go ahead and look at this. We got HDMI and we got our Apple TV. Apple TV is pretty convenient because you can use the remote to control it. It's all in HD quality.
Acura TSX years 2011 to 2014 as shown on the Acura MDX. The TSX and the MDX have identical screens. All NAVTOOL products are 100% designed and manufactured in the USA. Please support American jobs. NAVTOOL, established in 2002. This interface does not replace factory radio or factory screen. This interface enhances the factory screen with features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, HDMI Mirroring, and cameras. All factory features work the same as before. This interface is see-through, meaning the vehicle does not detect that the interface is installed in the car. This is a 2-part video. Part 1, product demonstration. Part 2, product installation.
CarPlay demo. In order to get into the CarPlay, rotate the jog until you get into the CarPlay mode. Enter. This is CarPlay. This is Apple CarPlay. You got many applications. We actually got 4 pages of applications, or even 5. As you rotate the joystick, you go through the application pages. Just like in 2019 Acura MDX.
Thank you for watching. Please click the link on the left to subscribe to the channel, or click the link on the right to watch the full video.